Hey, what's going on, guys? It's a beautiful day here in Tampa. I want to talk about a sales call that I was just on, and it took me a little bit longer than usual to close this person, but I want to give you guys some perspective because, she was bringing up the usual things like, I've talked to this marketing agency and they're trying to charge me blah, blah a month. Like, she basically was saying that a marketing agency was trying to charge her $500 a month to do their ads. And I was like, well, it's really cheap. You don't even have a site that's ready to convert. And she's like, well, I just need sales. I need subscriptions. Here's the thing, guys. You have to let the client know. And this is like a big thing in sales. It's like before they can do one thing, they have to do this thing first. And it's not like you're hanging the carrot in their face. It's more like, hey, you need to have this in place first, because if you try to do this, you're not going to get the results that you want. You're going to waste more money, kind of thing. So it's like, it's not really like the hanging of the carrot. It's more so you're letting them know the loss that they're going to have if they don't do this first thing first. And it's like the same thing goes for some of my clients. Like if you don't have landing page that's ready to convert, you don't have sales copy, you don't have social proof, you don't have a good ad video, you don't have these things in place, forget about making money and getting subscriptions. You're not going to make a fucking dime. So it's like when people also come to me about like prior experiences, like, this marketing agency told me this, and like I've bought things before like this, and like when people do that, they're basically just deflecting their insecurities on you. So you have to reassure them that, hey, Letitia, like this is not me. Like that person is not me. I want to talk about how we're going to have a relationship today. I want to talk about how we're going to grow together today. Stop talking about these other people. Quite frankly, I don't care about what these other people are doing because they're not me. I'm worried about me. I'm worried about you. I'm worried about my family. I'm worried about my team. I'm not worried about John who told you X, Y, and Z. I'm on the phone with you right now, so I need you to concentrate and respect our valuable time here together today. And that's basically the approach that I'll take for that. There's other things that I'll get on the phone, that she was talking about, like, I don't know, I want to make sure that I'm putting my funds in the right spot. That's where you go to the part where, hey, you've been doing this for this long. You've already lost more than the X amount that I'm charging you today by not doing this thing. That loss aversion kind of approach. So I just really want to go over those couple things for you guys. And just some more objections that I'm getting on the phone. Hope you guys can learn from them if you're trying to sell people as an agency owner or just a service provider. Hope you guys enjoyed these quick tips. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.